Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm here to show you the easiest way to level sneaking inside of Abiotic Factor. So if you read the actual skill itself, you increase the level of your sneaking whenever you're around dangerous active enemies and they don't know that you're there, you're out of their line of sight, and they're not attacking you. So to that effect, the easiest way to level this up is to go to a place. This is the Far Garden antiverse. It's the portal that's on the same floor as Flat Hill. And it starts out back here, and it's full of all that free antiverse wheat that you can run into. And all you gotta do is sneak up here, and this fella right here is just chilling out, blasting birds off of this ledge. And you can get pretty close to him. Like, you can practically flick his little spinal dingle here on his butt end while he's shooting birds, and you can pretty much, within a very short span of time, level up a significant amount of your sneaking and get all the way to that coveted Sneak 15, the Office Assassin, where you can attack unaware enemies and always deal double damage, even when you're standing. So this isn't the most exciting thing to level, this particular skill, because it involves being quiet and patient around different enemies. But what you can do is, as you level this, you can just sneak around in different areas as you're exploring, since you can just toggle crouch. And the higher the level you go, because you get the buff Biotic Shadow at rank 5, it makes it so that you sneak faster as you're crouched. So that is a big plus. Otherwise, just crouch behind someone like this, and you can have a little Netflix party while you level. Alternatively, if you don't want to hang out here, you can stealth near the giants inside of Flat Hill. That will also work as a methodology for leveling your sneaking. In fact, I can show you right now. Alright, so we're in Flat Hill. And we come back just past the video store. You've got this particular giant right here. Real swell guy. Stops just before he comes down this little alleyway. And then does his patrol back. You can hide just off to either side of where he patrols, even next to that cop car, a little bit. And he'll just chill out and not really care that you're there. And you can just level up real slow. And so that's what we're gonna do. You could probably also hide in this truck as well. That way he couldn't necessarily grab you. But where I like to hide is I just like to chill up here next to this money. I'm sure a lot of people like to chill in a place like that. If you just chill out right here, kind of close-ish to him, where you're within aggro range, I believe you still get some sneaking skill. There it is. So you just kind of like chill out here on the steps, off to the side. And you will also accrue some sneaking skill if Flat Hill is easier for you to get to. The choice is honestly yours. The only thing is, it just takes a while to get, your sneaking up far enough to get to sneaking 15. And in the grand scheme of things, it's probably quicker to sneak behind that other monster inside the Far Garden teleport on the same floor as where this one is, because it's constant experience, whereas this one only gives experience when he's like right over here at the end of his patrol pathway. So your mileage may vary depending on where you want to do this, but in general, any AI that's like probably not going to see you and just does its own thing and you can just hide within proximity to it pretty easily is a safe bet. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how to speed level sneaking by barely doing anything. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.